Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to achieve spiritual balance. In this video, I'll be discussing the importance of spiritual balance and how to achieve it. Spiritual balance is essential for living a healthy and fulfilling life. It involves finding harmony between your physical, mental, and spiritual needs. When you are spiritually balanced, you are able to make decisions that are in line with your values and beliefs. So, how can you achieve spiritual balance? Here are some tips. 1. Take time for yourself. Make sure to set aside time each day to focus on your spiritual needs. This could include meditation, prayer, or simply taking a few moments to reflect on your life. 2. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature and appreciate its beauty. This can help you to feel more connected to the world around you. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings. This can help you to stay grounded and focused on the present. 4. Connect with your spiritual beliefs. Spend time exploring your spiritual beliefs and connecting with them. This could include reading spiritual texts, attending religious services, or simply reflecting on your beliefs. 5. Seek out spiritual guidance. If you need help finding spiritual balance, seek out spiritual guidance from a trusted source. This could be a spiritual leader, a counselor, or a mentor. These are just a few tips on how to achieve spiritual balance. Remember, spiritual balance is essential for living a healthy and fulfilling life. Take the time to focus on your spiritual needs and you will be on your way to achieving spiritual balance. Thanks for watching.